Mantri Pukrigi Mercyland Nauna Saba NPP ge State Office ngasi haunabi matungina NPP ge National President Conrad ke Sangma Shang-Gakhre NPP Manipuri ge President Dr. Lorho S Foze NPP ge MLA Maria Madi Party asigi office bearer singna saru yaraga pangthokiba thawra maduga mari lainana Conrad ke Sangma hai ngasi NPP ge office ama Imphal da hangdokpa sina party asigi organizational structure semgatpada yamna maru oiba thodang loba ngamlagani haina khalli Party asigi state unit ama yamna tenba matamda Imphal da hangdokpa ngamliba si maruoiba state president NPP gi MLA amadi NPP Manipur state ki office bearer singna chongthaba leitana khonabagi mahaini NPP gi oina ngasi asi yamna pukning harauba numit amani mahaki numit nini gi Imphal khongchada sigi manung channa hayeng MSFDS ta pangthokadawriba convention asi hekloibaga press conference ama pangthoktuna paumi singa wari watai sanagani haina mahakna makha taki
Just at least for this particular program, I'm very happy that we have finally inaugurated the party office here in Imphal, and this is a very, very important step towards structuring and organizing the party. And I congratulate our state president, our respected MLAs, and all the state office bearers for working tirelessly and with full commitment to ensure that this particular office was completed on time. And as I said, today is a very, very auspicious day for us, a very important day for us. And I once again congratulate the state president and the entire committee, as well as our honorable